The Analyze Alert Impact workflow helps you leverage data available in the CMDB or from third-party agents if you are running it on an alert that stems from one of our supported third-party observability tools. With our recent Zerk release, that includes New Relic, Kintic, and the most recent addition of Dynatrace. This workflow analyzes the alert's impact by looking at all the rich information in your CMDB. And while you are working on other tasks, the AI workflow reports out what it is doing and which additional AI agents it's leveraging at any given point in time. You can view the impact the alert is having on your organization, and you can decide if you need to act on the alert or simply flag it as a lower priority. To trigger the agentic workflow for observability, you can use the Now Assist prompt by typing Analyze Alert Impact while the New Relic generated alert form is open. The Now Assist agent will ask you to confirm the prompt you want to trigger, and you simply have to click it to complete the confirmation. Now we can monitor the execution of the steps for the workflow we chose, fetching information from New Relic by interacting with the New Relic AI agent behind the scenes. As a reminder, this can also be done with Kintic and Dynatrace today, and other third-party agents in the future. Note, this workflow provides a bit more contextual information, such as the incident insights reports being linked will be considered stale after 15 minutes, and additional user impact information that is housed on New Relic and not within ServiceNow. This allows operators to access information beyond ServiceNow without having to log into a third-party tool. Additionally, if you want to drill in more deeply, a direct link to the third-party observability tool of focus is provided. You can also access alert criticality through field mapping and leverage other prompts for the third-party agents to answer by connecting to those AI agents. Additionally, the operator can see root cause theories raised by New Relic, all while staying within the ServiceNow environment. This is a true example of working better together, not just within ServiceNow, but also with our supported third-party observability tools. This breaks down silos in your organization between teams who may primarily use New Relic or ServiceNow with just the entering of a prompt. Your power as an operator grows quickly when you leverage the Analyze Alert Impact agentic workflow from ServiceNow. Ideally, you would run this use case after executing the ServiceNow Triage and Analyze agentic workflow, which surfaced that this alert was a top priority to look into further. Now that you know its impact, you can dive right into its resolution. But remember, there's nothing like experiencing it firsthand, so give it a try. Thank you for your time and attention.